Ready to take complete control of your crypto and move it from the centralized world of Bybit to your own decentralized Web3 wallet? Alright, let's get started first. Log into your Bybit account and click on the Assets tab located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your asset overview. Now find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your Web3 wallet. In this example, we will use Bitcoin. Click on the Withdraw button next to the cryptocurrency you've chosen. A new withdrawal window will pop up. It's crucial to select the correct blockchain network for your cryptocurrency. Almost always, it will automatically select for you, but double check. Using the wrong network can result in irreversible loss of funds. Next, carefully copy and paste your Web3 wallet address into the recipient address field. Triple check that the address is correct. A single wrong character can lead to your crypto being sent to the wrong address, and it's usually unrecoverable. Now, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that Bybit charges a withdrawal fee, so factor that into the amount you enter. Once you've entered all the information and are absolutely certain that everything is correct, click the Submit button. You will then need to complete the 2FA verification process using either your Google Authenticator or SMS authentication, whichever you set up. And that's it. After you confirm with 2FA, your withdrawal request will be processed. The time it takes for the transaction to complete depends on the network congestion of the blockchain you're using. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you'll see your cryptocurrency appear in your Web3 wallet. Congratulations! You now have full control of your digital assets.